Hello everyone and welcome back to Kanen Coffee. Here we have this beautiful Jura Impresa S9 espresso machine. Now for this machine we just gave it a tune-up. We deep cleaned the brew unit, replaced the gaskets and the O-rings of the brewing as well, relubricating, making sure it is good and moving without problems. We also checked the hoses connected to the door as well to make sure they were not leaking, as well as the hoses connected to the thermoblock and other places as well. And yeah, that's all we did. We also descaled the machine and just give it a good tune-up. So starting one cappuccino, we're gonna test this machine. We're using this steamer tip that is from one of our machines that we have here at the store. This machine did not came with this little tip, but as you can see, the male siphon's pretty good. Looks great. Water siphons perfectly through the frother. Now the machine is going to dispense coffee from this little spout, and as you can see, that was pre-infusion. Nice steady stream coming out the spout. Excellent color. Working great. Now we're gonna do a shot of espresso and then use the hot water. We also deep cleaned the spouts, as one of the spouts was completely blocked and it was having a lot of troubles dispensing water through this one. Infusion. And as you can see, nice steady stream coming out of the spouts, excellent color and excellent quantity, 2 ounces. Perfect. Now how do I? Perfect. My water. As you can see, hot water coming out of the spout. Nice steady stream and really good temperature. And there you have it, Jura Impresa S9 working once again. So thank you so much for preparing Kanen Coffee. Please subscribe to our channel for more content every day, and thanks for watching.